Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a kitchen fundamental that might seem simple, but can make or break your dishes. The difference between simmering and boiling. You might think, hot water is hot water, right? Well, not exactly. Getting this right is the secret to tender meats, perfect sauces, and so much more. So grab your apron, and let's dive into the steamy world of cooking with water. First up, let's talk about boiling. When we say boil, we mean a full, rolling boil. The temperature is 212 degrees Fahrenheit or 100 degrees Celsius at sea level. You'll see big, vigorous bubbles breaking the surface constantly. It's loud, it's aggressive, and it's perfect for certain tasks. Think about cooking pasta. You want that rolling boil to keep the pasta moving so it cooks evenly and doesn't stick together. It's also great for blanching vegetables quickly to lock in their bright color and nutrients before you shock them in ice water. Boiling is all about high energy and speed. It's your go-to when you need to cook something through quickly and intensely. Now let's turn down the heat and talk about the gentle art of simmering. Simmering happens at a lower temperature, typically between 185 to 205 degrees Fahrenheit, or about 85 to 96 degrees Celsius. Visually, instead of those big, angry bubbles, you'll see small, gentle bubbles just occasionally breaking the surface. It's a much calmer, quieter process. You might see a few wisps of steam, but nothing like the full-on steam cloud of a rolling boil. To get a simmer, you'll usually bring your liquid to a boil first, then immediately reduce the heat to low, letting the temperature settle into that sweet spot. So why would you choose a gentle simmer over a rapid boil? Simmering is all about slow and low cooking. This gentle heat is perfect for coaxing flavor out of ingredients and tenderizing tougher cuts of meat. Think about your favorite soups, stews, and braises. If you were to boil a tough cut of meat like a beef chuck for hours, it would become dry and stringy. But simmer it gently, and the connective tissues break down into luscious gelatin, leaving the meat incredibly tender and juicy. The same goes for stocks and broths. Simmering bones and vegetables for a long time extracts all their deep, rich flavors without making the liquid cloudy, which boiling would do. Let's put it into practice. Imagine you're making a bolognese sauce. You've browned your meat and sautéed your veggies. Now you add your tomatoes and wine. If you let that sauce boil aggressively, the flavors will become harsh, the liquid will evaporate too quickly, and you risk scorching the bottom of your pot. But if you bring it to a simmer and let it bubble away gently for a couple of hours, the flavors will meld together beautifully, creating a rich, complex, and harmonious sauce. The simmer is your best friend for developing deep flavor over time. It's also key for delicate tasks like poaching eggs, where a rolling boil would just tear the egg whites apart. So to recap, boiling is hot, fast, and aggressive. It's for cooking things quickly, like pasta or blanching vegetables. Simmering is low, slow, and gentle. It's for developing flavor, tenderizing meat, and creating delicate dishes like sauces, stews, and poached foods. Mastering the difference between these two simple techniques will honestly elevate your cooking game from good to great. It's one of those foundational skills that every home cook should have in their back pocket. Next time you're in the kitchen, pay close attention to the bubbles in your pot. Are they big and rolling or small and gentle? Now you know exactly what's happening and why it matters. Experiment with it. See the difference it makes in your next stew or soup. Thanks so much for watching today. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more kitchen tips and tricks. Happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next video.